How to automatically copy a range of data in Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to copy a range of data in Excel, first of all tap on the file manager and select the file or the Excel file that you'd want to copy. Now here I have a file over here. So let me just refresh it and then tap on it and then enter the passkey. After that, go back and then just tap on documents over here. Now just select any one of these and then tap on Excel. It will land you to the Excel over here. Now in order to copy the range of data, what you can simply do is make a long press on the slides or the sections over here, and then you can just drag it over here on up to where you would want to copy. Then here you can see the option of copy over here. So just select the data and then tap on this icon over here. Now this gets copied. Now you can paste it anywhere you would want. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.